Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to create some polygons. So today we're going to show you how to create this hexagon shown here in the center. We're using the Polygon tool. The Polygon tool is very useful for producing shapes with 3 or more sides that are regular polygons. So to demonstrate that, we'll go ahead and delete this one from the center and show you what we have going on. So the Polygon tool is on your tool ribbon to the right of your line and circle tools. It is, you have two choices, inscribed and circumscribed polygons. Inscribed polygons have their construction circle on the center, on the inside of the polygon, and a circumscribed polygon has the construction line circle on the outside. So we're going to choose the inscribed polygon tool. Click on the origin and move the mouse outward, and wherever I click will initially determine the size, and then I'll move the mouse to determine the number of sides that we want. Next click will set the polygon, and if I escape from my tool at this time by either clicking on the tool again or hitting the escape key on my keyboard, I'm now free to start moving things around. You can see that the size is not yet constrained, and the number of sides is constrained with a dimension which we can modify. So if I double click on my X value and change that to 5, I have a pentagon, 6 hexagon, 3 triangle. And you can see this is an inscribed polygon. It's described as an inscribed polygon, but inscribed polygon because the circle that defines the polygon is the construction circle is inside. That's inscribed. So again, we're going back to our hexagon, which is 6-sided, and we want to make it look like the example. So we have a horizontal constraint on one of the sides, and then we had a dimension on that same side. And you can see now I have created a fully constrained polygon with 6 sides. So there's my hexagon, and there you have it. All right, good luck, have fun, and as always, keep being awesome.